Good day to my future employer. I hope you will give me a chance to work with your family. I am Camille Piserada. I am 32 years old and I am from Mindanao, Philippines. I am married and I have 3 kids. Ages 13 years old, 12 years old, and 2-year-old baby boy. I am a high school graduate. My work experience is I worked before in Saudi Arabia for almost 2 years and 2 months. I work with 5 members of the family, the couple, and the 3 lovely daughters. Ages 7 years old, 5 years old, and 1 month old infant. My main task is to take good care of the infant, like give her milk, change her diaper, give her bath, and the 7 years old, 5 years old, I give them food, feed them, give them bath, and sometimes I am teaching them like colors, animals, shapes, and others. And sometimes I am helping them to make their homeworks. And sometimes I am bringing them to the school, go to the mall, go to the park, and I love to play them. And my other duties is to clean the all house, do mopping, ironing, wash the dishes, wash clothes, watering the plant, clean the garage, and sometimes I am feeding their cats, and I'll do cooking, and sometimes I do marketing. I hope that my future employer you will give me a chance because I am very trustworthy person. I am very flexible, and I am I want to learn new things from your family. And I hope you will give me a chance because I am very trustworthy person. Good day and thank you.